Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I want to share with you how you can connect or link your Facebook account with your Instagram account. So let's get started. Okay, so whether you are a content creator or you have your business page or you just don't want to be posting twice in Facebook and Instagram, just post once and share it in both platforms. I'm gonna share with you how you can do that in this video. So if you're interested in this type of content, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button down below. How can connecting a Facebook with Instagram account can help me? Well, the best thing of this is that you only share once and it will be displayed and shown on both platforms. So posts and stories can be in both platforms and you can save a lot of time. Okay, let's go to my phone now. Tap on your Instagram application and then go to your profile at the bottom, and then you're gonna go and tap on the burger button at the top right, and then you're going to tap on settings. Once that you tap on settings, you're going to go all the way down until it says account center, and in account center you're going to tap on setup account center, and then you're going to tap on a Facebook account. In this case you can see my profile already because I already set it up, but here you will be seeing an option that says add Facebook account, and you're gonna log in from here, or you're gonna set up the account that you want to link with this Instagram account. It's asking me if I want to continue to link this Instagram account with this Facebook account. I click on continue, and then you will be tapping on yes, finish setup. Once that you tap on this, it's asking you if you want to sync your name and profile photo, and you can choose to do so or not by toggling on this sync profile photo button. Then you tap on continue. Once that you linked your Facebook account with your Instagram account, you will be asked these options, and you can manage if you want to share the same story and post on both accounts right here. You can also add a different account in here. So that's it. It's really easy to set up and connect your Instagram account with your Facebook account. Let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comment section down below. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye!